Hey everyone, welcome back to Home Slice Creative. Today, I want to talk about something that every artist deals with, balancing creativity and life. We all have responsibilities outside of art, whether it's work, relationships, or just taking care of ourselves. And it's easy to feel like there is never enough time for everything. And let's be real. When life gets overwhelming, creativity is often the first thing to suffer. So in today's video, while I work on this monster hand sculpt, I want to share some thoughts on time management, workspace setup, mental health, and ways to stay motivated. All things that help me keep creating without burning out. One of the biggest challenges that artists face is time management. Creativity doesn't always fit neatly into a schedule, but without structure, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and unproductive. For me personally, I need the routine, some kind of structure that gives me control over my time. So every Friday, I plan out the next week. Sometimes I set specific tasks for each day, and other times I keep it flexible with a general to-do list. That way, if my energy dips, I can adjust without feeling like I've failed. The key is consistency over intensity. You don't need to work 10 hours straight to make progress. Even 30 minutes of focused time each day adds up. Some of my best work happens in short, dedicated sessions. So whether you prefer a strict schedule or a loose plan, find a rhythm that works for you, one that keeps you moving forward without burning out. Your workspace has a huge impact on your creativity. For me, I can't focus until my space is clean. If my desk is cluttered, if there's dishes in the sink, if the counters aren't wiped in the morning, my brain feels cluttered. And that's why I always tidy up before starting a project. It really helps to get me into the right mindset. But not everyone works this way. Some artists thrive in organized chaos surrounded by sketches and inspiration, and others need a minimalist, distraction-free setup. Whatever your style is, try to create a space that fuels your creativity rather than drains it. And don't forget comfort. If you work digitally, set your monitor at eye level and make sure your chair supports your posture. Get good lighting to avoid eye strain. A physically comfortable space keeps you working longer and more effectively. Oh, and one last thing. Make your space inspiring. I like having Funko Pops, Legos, and artwork around me because they keep me in a creative mindset. Maybe for you, it's a mood board, a playlist, or even just a plant on your desk. Find what sparks your creativity and build your space around it. Now let's talk about mental health, because honestly, creativity and mental health are deeply connected. When we're stressed, anxious, or burnt out, our creativity suffers. It's hard to be inspired when your mind is overwhelmed. So here are a few things that have helped me. Number one, set realistic expectations. Don't try to do everything at once. Break big projects into smaller tasks and celebrate progress, not perfection. Take regular breaks. I use the 25-minute work, 5-minute break method. It keeps me focused without feeling too drained. Number three, move your body. Exercise, go for a walk, stretch, anything to reset your mind and avoid feeling stiff from sitting too long. Number four, limit comparison. This one's tough, but social media can make you feel like you're behind. Remember, everyone's journey is different, so focus on your growth. Number five, stay connected. If you work from home like me, make sure you're still socializing. Talk to friends, step outside, and check in with people who support you. At the end of the day, your mental health is more important than your art, and taking care of yourself means taking care of your creativity. Even when you're managing your time well and still taking care of yourself, staying inspired can still be a struggle. So here are some ways I keep my creative energy high even when life gets in the way. Take walks. Fresh air and movement clear my mind. Even 5 to 10 minutes outside, just on the deck, helps me reset. Consume media, movies, books, music, other people's art. Exposing yourself to different styles and stories can spark new ideas. Try new experiences. Traveling, visiting a new place, or even just switching up your routine can trigger fresh inspiration. Journal and reflect. Sometimes writing down thoughts or sketching random ideas can lead to unexpected breakthroughs. And most importantly of all, create without pressure. Not everything has to be good or perfect or finished. Some of my favorite pieces came from just messing around with no expectations. Finding balance as an artist is an ongoing journey. Some days you'll feel super productive, other days you'll feel stuck, and that's okay. The important thing is to keep showing up. Take care of yourself, create in a way that feels sustainable, and don't be afraid to step back when you need to recharge. And remember, You're not alone in this. Homeslice Creative is all about building a community of artists who support each other. So if you ever feel overwhelmed, just know that we're all in this together. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, how do you balance creativity in life? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, real quick before you go, if you're an artist looking to level up your drawing process, I've got something for you. I put together the Penciler Pack, a free set of custom brushes designed to make sketching and inking feel smooth, natural, and effortless. This pack drops on April 22nd, and it's completely free. Just hit the link in the description, sign up to our newsletter, and you'll get early access to the brush pack, as well as a cool little freebie that I've thrown in. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this pack is built to help you create cleaner, more confident lines. So grab it now and start sketching.